rear our girls. You know, I schooled at St. Mary's Nyabururu, but if I tell you the year, you are not born. That was 92 to 95. You are not born, right?
Yes.
And one thing I love about the Catholic institutions, our girls are mentored. Our girls are trained. You perform home chores and you also are taught on prayers. I don't know if you have identified one verse that you love so much. When I was at Nyabururu, that is way past standard 4, I mastered the whole of Psalms 23. I would read and I believed in it until I passed my exams, believing in God. When I was transferred from my previous school to Nyabururu, I was not performing well. And then when I came to Nyabururu, I was doing well. My father thought the school is not performing well and he had to transfer me to another school. He didn't believe Nyabururu would do well. But still, when I went to another school, I proved him wrong. So if you want to find minds which are great, come to Nyabururu. I cannot hear you. If you want to find great minds, come to Nyabururu. You see, that's what I wanted. And for your information, when we correct you, when we tell you to work hard, when we tell you to close your legs and open your boots, it's what am I saying? I'm yet to get you. When we tell you what? Thank you. That's it. When we tell our girls that, it's not that we are attacking you. When we tell you to have manners, it's not that we are attacking you. What we are doing, we are showing love. Okay?
Yes.
I like the way you have called me, madam. I'll give you bread. Lastly, I don't want to continue because our senses are unhappy. Please respect your teachers. There's a price you have to give yourself, which is priceless. You can't buy. You must love yourself first. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Before Jimmy tells you, I love you, I can't sleep. And of course, there's